मंगलम.
नमस्कार. आज शारदा पंचशतमानोत्सवाचे ह्या दिवसारे वी आर जॉईंड बाय मिस्टर विनायक पै आणि श्रीमती अपूर्वा पै आणि टाटा प्रोजेक्ट संत मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर जाऊन सर्व करत असायची. दोन्ही लोकांक हांव तुमकां हार्दिक स्वागत करता समाज बांधवा कडच्यान. यू हॅव सीन द एनवायरमेंट, यू हॅव सीन द वाइब्स हियर. वॉट हॅज बीन युअर एक्सपिरियन्स सो फार?
I mean, I think it is a great opportunity and a great pride for all GSBs. To see this is actually overwhelming. You get goosebumps because you've not seen something grand like this in our community. So it is really magnificent.
GSB community is known for its integrity and hard work, and I'm sure even in your journey that has contributed a lot. What do you have to say on that?
I always feel आमगेल जे culture असणे GSB चे, which is the work culture, the family culture, all this makes really a lot of difference when we work, because we work with integrity, we work with honesty, hard work. All these are ingrained in us from the childhood, and that makes a lot of impact. Also empathy. When we deal with others, we are humble. So I think all this makes for a very strong bond with whoever we interact with, and that is a very critical part of leadership.
You have climbed up so far up the ladder in such a big company. What do you think? What factors have contributed related to being a GSB particularly?
So I think the whole upbringing, where our parents invest so much in us as a GSP, and then we grew up in Mumbai. So there used to be, the mutts there, the Vadala mutt and then the Kurla mutt. So from childhood we have gone there and interacted with people, and that brings a certain culture which helped a lot in further growth. And the basic education coming from a humble beginning, it sets a very strong foundation for being a people's person, which is so important in leadership.
Being in the corporate field, if you could give one piece of advice to our professionals working in the corporate field, particularly the GSB youth, what would it be?
I think the youth today have to really be focused. They have to decide what they want to do and pursue it with passion. Should resist the temptation of trying different things. Should be very clear about what they want to achieve, and then really go deep. They should have curiosity about what they are doing. That is a very critical component. And then, you should also learn how to work in a team with others. I mean, this makes a lot of difference in corporate life.
Being in the organization like Tata Projects, you must have seen all the reconstruction work that has gone on, and particularly the Ram Pratima, the 77 feet tall Pratima of Lord Sri Ram. How do you feel about all this?
No, I mean, it is really top class. We at Tata Projects, we built the new Parliament building 3 years ago, which was inaugurated. So I've seen the level of detailing. And when I see what is happening here, it is actually at par with what we have done in that structure. The amount of carving, the amount of detailing which is done is absolutely top class.
Thank you very much for joining us today. We hope and wish to see you for the entirety of the 11-day event. Thank you very much, sir and ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you.